Okay, I am in this amazing igloo. I have to show you. Maybe I take a video from outside, but it's an igloo outside so you can feel warm. Okay, there is the igloo behind me. It's really cold. I need to just run inside, but take a look. And right now it's 6 a.m. Pretty crazy. It's 6 a.m. I'm in an igloo outside under the ocean. Under the ocean or next to the ocean? Okay, this is the question. Because I am an immigrant and I don't know every time 100% which pronoun to use, how to pronounce it, and I mix up things, and I feel really cool about it because the perfection is not there. The perfection of the language, it's not there. Somehow certain things don't stick in this brain, the immigrant brain, and sometimes you as well might not have the perfect English, might not have the perfect pronunciation, but that's what unique and cute and sweet and sexy and unbelievable about you. And I want you to embrace it and hug it and say, I love myself. I learned to understand a second language. Most of the people in the world, they do not know a second language. They are not able to read, understand a person from a different country speaking a different language. So whoever you are, if you are listening, please don't be afraid, don't be shy. It's all about, stepping into the new zone, outside your safety, outside this igloo, going to the public and just being you, because you're wonderful. You have friends, yes? You're working. It means you're valuable. So guys, I love you. Embrace it. Be you. Especially to the women. Women are so much self-conscious. The guys, they don't care. They wear beard. They don't shave. They show their hair in their chests. And they still make videos. And they get 1,000 views. Why we cannot do that? Hello? Wake up. Immigrants, wake up. It's time. The sun is up. Almost up. Okay guys, see you on the next one. This was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant, Amphibag, and Orange Media. And please tag an immigrant in the comment.